What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've done a 350Z update video, so that's what we've got going on today, the 350Z. So we're gonna get the motor back in the car tonight. There's the car up on the rack. Here's the motor. A couple of things that I did, I'll show you. We don't have a heater core anymore, obviously, so I ran this line to the other side right there for the heater core delete. And then also I wanted to maybe try to get a little bit cooler temperatures coming in the throttle body, so I went ahead and deleted the throttle body coolant deal. A little T-fitting right there, so all that's looking good. Got my temp sensor in, got this coolant bypass or coolant flow tube all welded up and going good. Got the new motor mounts on right there, so this thing is literally ready to go in. Once it's in there, the only thing we'll have to sort out is the broken transmission mount. So yeah, I got a new GoPro Hero 7 with the Hyper Smooth, which is what I'm filming on here. I'll be doing that primarily here, and then all of the time-lapse stuff will be done here. So hopefully the video qualities will get better, and channel will grow, and we'll all grow, and we'll have some fun, get this thing kicked off. So yeah, everybody stay tuned. Remember, like and subscribe, and thanks very much. At this point, I realized that the catalytic converters had to come off for the motor to go in. The driver's side cat was in the way of the steering shaft, and the passenger side cat was in the way of a few other things. So I started pulling them off here, and then continue on with the install. Man, I have been fighting this motor for the past couple of minutes. I'm like, what the heck is going on here? Turns out it is this right here. Just the dang hard transmission shift cable. So I gotta pull it back out, and then she should slide in pretty nicely. So here we go. Continue on. Okay, that was a pain in the butt, but the motor is in the Z-Cart. Kind of sucks doing it by yourself, but here we go. Motor is in there. Check out my little wedge job got going on right there because there's no cross member in it. So, boop, little wedgie job. Go ahead and go up, but yeah, everything looks good. We will get the motor mount bolts tightened up and figure out the cross member. But I think I'm gonna call it a night, and we'll get back after the Z again here pretty soon. It's Sunday night, about 11 o'clock or so. Got a pretty busy week this week, so I don't know how much I'll be able to work on spare time projects. But in the meantime, enjoy the other videos I've got, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks.